was of Spain also. He was the king of Spain. And the thing about it is, I want you to take a look at his skin color. Look at the skin color. The brown guy. All right, this is a dark-skinned person. Now, I didn't draw this. I didn't paint this. But why am I bringing it to your attention? Because I need you to understand, yes, skin color does matter, because here's a situation where we clearly see these were brown people. He was brown, and then look at the Indian sitting next to him. He's brown. So why does that matter? Well, let me tell you why it matters. Because somebody has rewritten this. Again, the original drawing of this whole portrait. And these are dark-skinned people. Look up here. This is a Jesus character. Jesus is brown. In this image, this is the original one. In this one, you'll see that the Jesus character is a darker skinned character. And then you can see all of the people in the image are brown people, with the exception of the people down here at the bottom. These are French people, and they are more of a mulatto. Again, as I told you, they had started to amalgamate, meaning sleep with the Albions, so they became lighter skinned. But the ones up here, the original people, they were brown like me. The people coming over from Spain and France, they were brown like me. Okay, I'm going to show you a close-up of the Jesus character. That's the original Jesus character. But then down here, you can't see this one, it's too low. Well, maybe you can. See right here? See this light-skinned Jesus right here? Yeah, you can see his face. Well, this was the second portrait. The original portrait had this brown Jesus up here. And then they whitewashed Jesus. Not only did they whitewash Jesus, they whitewashed the Indians as well. What I'm saying to you is somebody is rewriting history. All right, because there's more. Let's take a look at Kinto's, Carlos Kinto. All right, here's the original Carlos, the brown guy. And the one down here is a lighter skinned version of Carlos. Why? Here's the question. And I'm saying to you, skin color matters because somebody's rewriting history. So now you're seeing here's the original Carlos Kinto, who was once again the king of Spain and married into the families of the people of the land in the Americas. And then you got this one. Well, who is this? Why did they lighten this guy? What is the agenda here? Remember I said to you who created the counties, these elite Moors. And I told you there were laws when they created this county, because it was their job and their responsibility to preserve the records. And one of the laws that they put in there is if anybody changes the record, then they're supposed to go to federal prison. That's why, when you have a county clerk, they have a serious job, because there are people here who will try to change history and rewrite history. And I'm letting you know that's exactly what's happening. And so it's important for us to be concerned about what did happen in history and yeah, the skin color, because somebody's trying to hide who's who. I know who you are by your skin color. I know who your family is. I understand what your cosmic baggage is. But if I hide that, then I've hidden the truth about what really happened. Okay, I need to go into another one. Here's another whitewashing done in history. So again, my goal is to show you who these people were in antiquity, so that you have an understanding about the lies that are being done, because we can show proof at every point about the fact that these people in antiquity were melanated. This guy from Morocco, and they call themselves Moors in Morocco, they light-skinned, mulatto-looking people. A lot of the melanin has been drained out of them, and then they think they're the original people of that land. And it's like, you weren't the original people over there. Those original people were dark-skinned. I just showed you what the Spaniards looked like. And then when you look at the French, they were mulatto, because they had started to integrate and to mate with Albions. Yeah, they started to become lighter skinned people.